Hey guys, it's Nick here. Today's a beautiful, beautiful day in New York. This is Queens over here. The weather is almost, I believe, 87 or 89 degrees, somewhere in 90s, probably. Feel like doing nothing. Then I was thinking of maybe do some barbecue. So I bought small birds, they call it quail birds, and I was thinking of doing a barbecue on them, but let's see how it comes out. She's gonna do like a regular herb mix with salt and pepper and some oregano peppers and stuff. I bought one mix from Walmart. It was pretty good, not bad. It's from Grill Mate. Let's see how it comes out. I'm just thawing my meat right now. It come frozen. I couldn't buy live one because the farm was closed somehow. If you have farm close to you, you can always buy from the farm. They're about like maybe $5 a piece, or maybe cheaper, I'm not sure. Alright, the birds are pretty much soft right now. So this is the marinade I used from Grill Mate. Cost me like $1.49 or so, which wasn't that bad. It's pretty good for a seasoning like this. So I'm just gonna mix it and leave it for about 10-15 minutes, and then I put it on the grill. Here for about 10-15 minutes. This is how it looks like. You can see all the herbs mixed with it. I believe it has lemon too, because it has a very lemony smell to it. So I'm just gonna put them on the grill right now. And I preheated my grill to about roughly 300 degrees. So open the grill. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I'm just gonna cover it and leave it for like another 10 minutes. I just flipped them. Wow, that looks really good. Really, really, really good. But it's not cooked from inside, so after we burned outside or cooked outside, then we're gonna leave it in direct heating again for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then it will be cooked from inside. All right. And now I'm gonna leave it for almost 30 minutes so it can cook up, just like basically like an oven. It's gonna cook up inside, and that's pretty much it. And to control it, I'm just gonna close the open right about there. Wow, that looks about ready. It's been a little while. I did it almost, I did more than 30 minutes. Wow, so tender from inside. Yep, looks cooked. I'm just gonna take 2 out and show you guys. Oh, look at the juice coming off of it. Alright, this is how it looks like after almost an hour later. Alright, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions or anything how I did it, you can always leave a comment on the below, or like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day, everybody.